What's up everybody, this is Carmeezy back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Ranger roll. And a Ranger roll is a way to pack your clothes so that way you get more space. So when I put out my backpack video, I had 2 pairs of clothes in that, and somebody was like, how come you don't do a Ranger roll? It'll save a lot more space. And I was like, well, I don't know how to do that. So I learned, and now I'm going to pass that knowledge along. So since I had 2 pairs of clothes, what I'm actually going to do is put the underwear and the socks in one Ranger roll. So let's get started. So right off the bat, what we're going to do is we're going to fold the bottom in over itself. So let's go ahead and do that. And normally on a Ranger roll, you would keep this bottom piece a lot slimmer. That should be good enough. But yeah, we're going to put it a little bit thicker because we're going to be putting the underwear and the socks. So we're going to grab our undies, throw those right in the middle. Grab our socks, throw those right in the middle. And then we're going to fold one arm over, the other arm over, fold one side, and then fold the other. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually flip it around to make it a little bit easier. And then we're just going to roll it up as tight as we can. Keep it tight, keep rolling, keep rolling. And then once we have it rolled all the way up, what we're going to do is this section at the bottom, this little like pocket thing, that's what we're going to grab. So we're going to grab that, and that's going to go folded over everything. So just make sure your bundle doesn't get away from you, so that way everything doesn't just fall apart. But yeah, we're going to fold that up, and we're going to have ourselves a nice little Ranger roll. So that's going to be a lot better than packing everything stacked normal. I lost a lot of space, so yeah, this will help me out. So next we're going to try some pants. If you see me struggling a little bit, it's just because I'm trying to keep my head out of the shot, so yeah. So we're going to do the same thing on top. We're going to fold it in on itself. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. And try to make sure all the pockets stay in nice and neat. And that should be good enough. And then bring it to the side so that way you guys can see it all. So we got the top folded in on itself. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold the legs. So we're going to fold the legs inward. And it's going to be so that way like the bottom part is all the way in the middle. But we're going to leave a gap on top. So we fold this part so that way they meet up in the middle. And again, we're going to have a gap here. It's going to be folded, folded, gap, folded all the way over. And then we're going to roll it up. And I'm going to be doing this sideways, so it might not be the cleanest, but we're going to roll it up tightly. And try to keep those sides down as we're rolling it up. They're going to get loose on you, but you could kind of fix them as you go up. And then once you get to the end, go ahead and grab it. And the part that we're going to use is this part in the back. So yeah, so go ahead and grab that part. And we're going to start to bring that over. And make sure you don't let go because it's going to come undone on you. So then keep going over. Keep going over. And there we go. Took it a little bit more just to make it neater. But we got ourselves a nice little Ranger roll with some pants. Cool. Yeah, so that's how I Ranger rolled my pants, how I did my shirts and my underwear. So that way I can do my 2 pairs of clothes for a travel video and save a lot more space. So this is a lot more space than, like I said, having all my clothes folded normal, stacked on top of each other. So thank you FMK for the video again, the video idea. And yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.